Morning guys, how you doing? It's Gavin here from the Growing Younger team, and today's exercise is a 4-point kneeling row, dumbbell row. And the reason that this is such an important exercise is that a lot of our clients who are hitting that over 45 mark really suffer from poor posture and lack of core strength, okay? So this exercise is very, very simple. You can do it with or without weights. I'll show you both versions. But it's something you can do at home. You don't even need to come to a gym. If you've got a set of dumbbells or just something you can hold in your hands to do this exercise with, you'll do absolutely well with it, okay? So if let's just say you've got some knee issues, okay, you can pad your knees, put a cushion down or a mat, and you will be good to go, right? So simply, all you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a set of dumbbells, move this way for you, set of dumbbells, and you're going to put your hands on the dumbbells. Now what you're going to do, you're going to come onto your knees, and you should have a 90-degree bend between your thigh and your stomach, and roughly 90 degrees between your upper arm and your body, okay? So what this does is this demands quite a lot of core strength, because when you take one hand off the floor, obviously your core needs to fight to keep your balance, otherwise you're going to fall over. And if you take a chair or a leg away from a 4-point chair. But if you've got a weight in your hand, it increases that intensity and it increases the amount of time your core has to engage to keep you stable, right? So what you're going to do, you're gonna come onto your knees, onto your hands, brace your core, put your chest out nice and forward so your chest is sticking out, and you're going to row and squeeze one shoulder blade together. Get that elbow behind your body and take it back to the floor. Then you're going to repeat on the other side. You're going to hold it for a second and come back down. And what this does, in addition to engaging your core, it works those big, large back muscles and your postural muscles. So it gives them a really good workout at the same time. So you're getting a lot of big bang for your buck for a very, very simple exercise. And as you can see, it's a little bit challenging. So obviously, find a weight that's comfortable for you. Again, if you haven't got any weights or you're not quite ready for weights yet, you can literally engage your core and still squeeze your shoulder blades together without any weight at all. As soon as you get comfortable, you can add some dumbbells in, okay? It's really, really simple, really basic, and you'll have a lot of benefits for you. So if you like this video, guys, we'd love you to give us a like, give us a share, tag a friend even if you want to, okay? And you know, get the word out there that you can exercise even though you have some injuries, despite your age or your lack of ability. So, like I said, if you do need some help, you're over 45, you kind of hit our client sort of avatar, which is somebody who's a little bit overweight, a little bit inactive, who has the onset of kind of lifestyle-related diseases, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, then the best way that we can help you is through the Growing Younger program. And if you think that program is a good fit for you, book in the link down below, okay? We'll get you booked in for a 15-minute consultation, have a bit of a chat, see if it's right for you, and if it is, you can join up with us at our awesome little facility here in Howick. Take care, guys, have a great day, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.